The guy asked me a little while ago to do a video on sharpening knives, kind of a tutorial, but there's about 5,000 knife sharpening tutorials out there, so I'm not going to do a tutorial. However, I'm going to let you guys watch me sharpen a knife because I've got 4 I want to sharpen, and then I'll show them off. Alright, this is one blade I wanted to show off. This is my first forged blade. It's an ugly piece of crap. But it's mine. Now there's one thing, I don't know if it shows up right here, right there, just before the tang starts. The laminations, it looks like they didn't really weld completely. But along the cutting edge, I don't see any of those delaminations, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now the other ones, this is a little neck knife I've made for a fella, and it is now hair poppin' sharp. I made that one by stock removal. And these are those other 2 little just orphan knives that I made from just extra bits of steel. This one and this one. And so I've sharpened them all up with my stones. This one's kind of filthy. But anyhow, I'm going to clean up, post this video, and talk to you all later.